Alright, welcome guys. Please, before we proceed with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. So all you just have to do is you smash the subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell. By so doing, you encourage us to publish more videos moving forward. Alright, now today we're going to be focusing on how to locate PancakeSwap in your Binance account. How to locate PancakeSwap in your Binance account. Now, PancakeSwap is a user-friendly decentralized exchange. PancakeSwap is a user-friendly decentralized exchange that helps you to quickly swap tokens. All right. Now, this PancakeSwap uses the Binance Smart Chain, and if you're going to be using PancakeSwap, all right, you will be needing, or you have to have BNB coin. All right, you have to have BNB for you to cover for the gas fees. The gas fees have to be BNB. Okay, so if you're going to be making use of PancakeSwap, you have to have BNB, either a few cents of BNB or just $1 worth of BNB. Do you understand? It depends. So you have to have BNB to cover for gas fees if you're going to be using PancakeSwap. So in this video, we're going to be locating PancakeSwap in your Binance account. So all you have to do is you'll launch your Binance account. When you do that, you're going to be seeing this interface as shown in this video. You will see this very interface. Okay, so what you do next is you click on more. This is more. You click on more. So just click on more. All right, then what you do next is you scroll down and locate marketplace. You scroll down gently and locate marketplace. Gently scroll down and locate marketplace. Marketplace. All right, good. So this is marketplace here. This is marketplace, right? So you click on marketplace. Oh, my network is a bit delaying. So you click on skip. After you've clicked on marketplace, next is to click on skip. So you click on skip. Don't click on next. Click on skip. All right. Now in this page, once this page shows up, what you're going to do next is to scroll down and locate PancakeSwap. Just scroll down and locate PancakeSwap. Scroll down and locate PancakeSwap. So this is PancakeSwap. Here is PancakeSwap. Okay, so click on it. You click on it. My network is a little bit poor, so let us wait for it. So you just scroll down, okay, and click on OK. Scroll down and click on the button OK. Over here too, scroll down and click on this check mark, this tiny check mark that says I understand. There's a tiny check mark here, just click on it. All right, then you click on start. Click on the button start. Next is to click on connect wallet. Click on connect wallet. Okay, then next is to click on this button here, that says create new DeFi wallet. this button below, not the one that says import wallet, not that one, the one that says create new DeFi wallet. So you click on it. So as you can see, wallet is connected successfully. Okay, it has the thing has left, but it shows wallet is connected. Okay, because before now what was showing around here was connect wallet, right? So when it showed connect wallet, we clicked on that button, connect wallet. Next was to click on create new DeFi wallet, the button below. So when we did that, the wallet was connected successfully. All right, so what we'll do next is to click on let me see, there's let me see if I can find it. Okay, I've seen it. What we'll do next is to click on this settings icon, that tiny settings icon, this one here. Click on it. So when you do that, next is you must make sure that this button here remains, this button should be standard. Okay, so leave it on standard, not on fast C's or instant. Leave it on standard. All right, so then over here, your slippage tolerance, which is showing 0.5, you have to change it to 12. You change it to 12. So what you do next is you just click on this place, all right, just click on it. Then you just type in 12. Just type in 12. That's it. All right, so we have changed the slippage from 0.5% to 12%. So you just do, you exit. Just click on this exit button here. Click on this exit button. Yeah, so we are done. So as you can see, our slippage tolerance is 12%. 12%. So at this point, we've come to the end of this video, and like I said earlier on, this video shows you how to locate PancakeSwap in your Binance account, as well as how to connect the wallet. How to locate PancakeSwap in your Binance account, as well as how to connect the wallet. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing us how to transfer funds from our spot wallet to the DeFi wallet, or the DeFi, some people call it DeFi. So how to transfer funds from the spot wallet to the DeFi wallet, so as to enable you to trade using the PancakeSwap in your Binance account. You understand? So that will be all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated, and as well you'll be notified when I release the next video and other videos moving forward. Thank you very much.